line.
You advising, is your demo West there, Kerry?
Yes, sir. Get a flood bank going. Get me around. Get me everything.
I do hereby pledge and declare to uphold the Constitution of the United States, the Constitution of the State of New York, to faithfully discharge my duties as a police officer in the New York City Police Department, best of my ability, so help me God. Congratulations.
Good evening, I'm Ernie Anastas, and here's what's happening. Men who are tougher than most, veteran police officers, are shedding tears tonight for a rookie cop, executed in cold blood. Officer Edward Byrne was just 22 years old, the son of a retired police lieutenant. Officer Byrne was shot early this morning as he sat in his parked patrol car. He was on stakeout assignment in the South Jamaica section of Queens. That portion of the 103rd Precinct is known as a drug-dealing supermarket.
Who overpowered a young police officer here early this morning as he sat alone in his car, never getting the chance to pull his own gun.
It is a mistake the police are unlikely to make again. Tonight they are armed with 9mm automatics and more. They wear bulletproof vests and they patrol the area. Other police go door to door to get some hint of what happened. But neighbors are reluctant to say much. A man who will kill a cop will kill anyone.
We have what appears to be a deliberate assassination of a police officer acting in the performance of his duty.
Watch the wall. Go straight a little.